Hi there YouTube, Tinfoil Hat Lady here. Well, I'm going to take off my tinfoil hat. We'll leave it here for moral support. Alright, this is an introduction to a new little series I want to put out there to you from a lecture I did in 2003. I was invited by Dr. Chet to speak at the Signs of Destiny 2 conference in Tempe, Arizona. And when I came home, I made a CD of some of the text, and it's time that I share it with my YouTube friends. So this will be part one. Some of you are going to dig it. Some of you won't understand what I'm talking about. Some of you really won't care. Some of you might find some new chunks of wisdom or be reminded of something you already know, and some of you may just know all of this already. So whatever it gives you, I hope it meets you where you are. And here we go. Phoenix Messages, Part 1. Information for now. Introduction. Sound creates form.
See how sound changes the room? Did you know sound creates form? Think of sound as geometrical forms that move through the air, forms that resonate with you or don't. Or maybe your experience actually fell somewhere in between did or did not resonate. A bit of both, a paradoxical experience perhaps. Did you know at one time there was a sacred language with unique and powerful words? These words enabled medicine people to describe hidden realities, to even physically bring forth those realities through the vibratory resonance of just such words of power. You may know of the sand paintings made by the Navajo, but there was a time, so legend tells us, when the Navajo shaman made beautiful pictures in the sand merely by speaking to it. And so I speak with you today in hopes of creating beautiful new patterns of thought for all of us to enjoy.